In this part we will learn the system component, the different types of solar PV systems, and some important definition. Solar PV module, which is the basic system component, we use it to convert the captured sunlight into electricity, which is produced in DC form, and this is due to the photovoltaic effect of semiconductor material. The produced energy could be used directly or stored in batteries, which is the second system component, where we store the surplus energy and use it whenever it is needed. Another component, which is the inverter, where we use it to convert the produced DC power into an AC power so that we can utilize it in most of our home appliances. Electrical board, we use it to distribute the generated energy into our loads or home appliances. A solar PV system is connected in parallel with the utility, so that in the absence of solar energy we can get energy from the utility in case of a grid connected PV system. Energy meter, we use it to measure the produced energy from solar PV system or consumed energy from the grid. We use both AC and DC wiring to connect the different system equipment. We use the DC wiring before the inverter to connect the solar panel to batteries and batteries to the inverter, and also we use the AC wiring to connect the inverter to the other system component like the panel board and the rest of the system. Mounting hardware, which is initial to secure the solar modules and adjust them toward the sun or toward the optimal rear angle for that location, and also to provide a strength against the wind loading. So we come to the different system types, and here we have the off-grid system, where we have a solar module connected to inverters and then connected to the distribution board, where we distribute the energy to our loads, and also we have batteries to store the energy, the produced energy, also DC and AC wiring. The second system type we have it is the grid connected, where we have an additional link to connect the grid to our system, and also we have these energy meters. Here we come to some of the important definition. We talked about DC power, and we mean here that the voltage doesn't change with time and keep constant, and this is opposite to the AC or alternating current, where the voltage keep changing from positive cycle to the negative cycle, and repeated for 60 times or 60 cycle per second for 60 Hz system, and 50 cycle per second for 50 Hz system.